Hey, Sam back here. Welcome to this video. Now I'm super excited to show you this. This is Sketch Genius. This is a software that's coming out very soon. There is a bundle deal that is included with this that you can get access to on the webinar. I've got details of that directly below this video, and then down below this video I've also got all of the bonuses you can get access to from me for getting access to this tool as well. Now, why do I really like this software? Well, first of all, I haven't seen anything like it before. It's very unique. You can basically choose from a range of different sketch styles here. So there's 7 in total, and you see these sketches that are here. So there's an animated sketchbook, and you can kind of see a preview of how that looks. There's pencil drawing, there's blueprint sketch, there's animated notebook sketch, and you can use these videos within your marketing videos or use them within your video ads to really stand out. What you can do is you can select the style, and then you'll be able to create a video based on that style that includes audio, that includes different scenes, and can include a different image depending on what you want this person who's drawing to be sketching. So usually these types of videos work really well alongside a story or a message. So if there's something that you're trying to depict or show that is very visual, you're going to be able to use these different types and styles of videos to showcase that. So one of the more popular ones, or one of the ones that I like the best, is this chalkboard drawing here. I really like this because it's kind of unique, it's new, and I haven't seen many people using this. So if I click on this and then I go next, I can then choose from different types of hands that are sketching. So I could choose if I wanted to a different hand, and I could customize that hand based on what I'm trying to communicate, or I could do no hand as well. So you've seen those sketches before that have been told without a hand actually drawing anything, it's just being sketched. You can also choose to do that as well. Then you go next. Now there's 7 steps to this process, this creation process. Then from there, if I want to, I can add some text which my sketch will have in the background as it's being sketched. So here I could add in my story, here I could add in or record an audio, so I could actually click on record an audio here, and then I could record this audio and have this audio that I'm saying right now in the background of that video. Or you can record a longer video, a longer series of audio if you want to, depending on what you're trying to communicate. I can then stop, choose the volume, I can play it back and see if that will work, or I can actually just use this then as my audio for my video. I then click next. I'm going to number 4. It's now transcribing to text what I've said, so it will come back soon. It'll give me the option to verify what I've just said, and then from there that'll be added into my background. One thing I didn't say is that you can also enable background music here as well, so if you wanted to have background music, I can do that as well. So then if I've gone through this, let's say that this is all right, you can obviously edit all this to make sure it is right. If it's not right, then you can edit that as well. I then click next. If I'm happy with the scenes, I can enable subtitles if I want that audio to be have subtitles down below it. I don't in this case. I can then upload what my custom background is going to be. So this custom background, this is the chalkboard, I believe, and then from there, if I'm happy with that, I can click next, and it's then got my different scenes. So depending on the length of my audio, I've got here 1, 2, 3, 4 scenes, I believe, or 1, 2, 3 scenes it looks like here. So I've got scene number 1, scene number 2, scene number 3. So let's have this one. I've got this particular sketch, and I can then decide what images I want added into here as well. So let's say, for example, I wanted to add this image right here. I can select this. Maybe this is a story about fitness or cycling. I can add this image here, and this is the image that will then be sketched. So you saw what happened there. This was a color image that you can see up here. Now it's been changed to a sketch image. Then I can again select another image. I can upload these images. I could upload my face if I wanted to be sketched. I can upload a different image. I can choose from images that are already pre-created or added. These are images on the AI style from the AI database, but I can just upload this if I wanted to. If I select this flower image, for example, to portray my story, and you can use many different images to portray your story. When I do sales videos, for example, I usually just search on the internet for something that kind of is going to work. And then you can also, I believe, as we're doing this, actually play these scenes to see them. It might take a little bit to render it, but we'll just see if that will work, where it'll actually sketch it. Otherwise we might need to render the video first in order to do that. We'll just see. Cool, so it looks like we need to render the video first in order to do that. Then we go next. We're on our step 6 of 7 now. I haven't completed the step. I think I've missed a image here. 1 second. Let's go to Pixabay. Let's search for health, and we'll search for some images relating to health. Let's add this one in, select, and then it's going to add this one in as our final sketch, as scene number 3. Cool, I believe that's all of our scenes done, so we'll go next. Call this a project name. We'll call this fitness and health video. We can select the resolution, then we create our video. Now what it's going to do is it's going to convert that video. Now this is great for short types of videos, so ads. You could create longer length videos with it if you want. Where you're going to find the most use for this though is when you're trying to tell a story, you're trying to communicate about a product, and you have the images available and ready to start sketching. So just keep that in mind as you are using this software, that if you want to use this effectively, do make sure that you have some sort of script ready, and that you fill in this and then use it with those sketches. Now I'll show you a previous one that I did. This is a previously one that I did in testing this software, and I can play this and it will show you the sketch effect that I showed you before. So that's how that sketch will be shown, and depending on the audio that you've got and the length of that sketch, it'll be a lot slower, right? This was a very quick sketch that I did, just like 1 second to render it quickly and see how it worked. But you can extend this sketch out to 1 minute, 2 minutes if you wanted to, or just a few seconds, depending on how long that story that you're telling within that scene is going to be. So I'm really impressed. I think this is a really professional, very well done software. I haven't run into any problems with using it, and I think that the end product that it produces is excellent. So if you do want to get access to this, it's a bargain of a price. You'll be able to get access to the very best deal on this page with the very best bonuses as well. I've put together a really cool bonus package for this, so go down below, check that out, and I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks for listening. See you later.